Hi, this is just a quick tutorial of how to log in to Microsoft Teams on a non-school computer, so essentially from home. The first thing you need to do is just open up a browser window. That can be Chrome. I think Chrome runs faster, but it doesn't really matter. You can use something else. And then type in teams.microsoft.com. It's going to ask you to sign into an account. Your child's account, their email is their graduation year. So for fifth grade, that's 28. For fourth grade, it's 29. Third grade is 30. Second grade is 31, etc., etc. And then their full last name, and then the first initial of their first name. And then at fairlawnlocal.org. Now, obviously, that's not going to work for me because that's not a real thing. So I'm going to log into my actual account. Their password is their lunch code. So your child should know that. If not, a paper should be sent home from school in the event that you would need to log in from home. When you log in, and it's being a little slow, it's going to show you this screen most likely, and it'll say get the Windows app or use a web app instead. I think it runs smoother on the Windows app, but that just depends on if you have enough space on your computer to download it. You can use the web app and it'll be just fine. So I'm going to use that for right now. And then your screen will look like this, and all of your kids' classes will show up on the screen like this, and they should be able to find anything they need to. So I hope that was simple enough and easy to follow. Bye.